Hello everyone, welcome back to Science Icons once again. So here we are going to learn about the basic concept of calorimetry and that is principle of calorimetry. तो देख लेते हैं कि प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कैलोरीमेट्री आखिरकार होता क्या है. बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है सबको, लेकिन ट्रस्ट में इट्स वेरी इजी, जस्ट फॉलो द स्टेप्स. पहली बात जो हम लोग को जानना पड़ेगा कि प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कैलोरीमेट्री आखिर होता क्या है. So basically, the heat lost by the hot body is equal to the total heat which is gained by the cold body. मान लो ये मेरा एक hot body है और ये मेरा एक cold body. This is a hot body and this is a cold body. When I will bring these two things in contact, the total heat which will be lost from this hot body will be equal to the total heat which is going to be gained by this cold body. बस ये एक simple चीज है principle of calorimetry. That is total heat lost by the hot body is equal to total heat gained by the cold body when these two are kept in contact. तो मान लेते हैं कि हम लोग के पास दो सब्सटेंस है. Let the mass of A be M1, specific heat capacity be C1 and the temperature be T1. Here for B, let the mass be M2, specific heat capacity be C2 and temperature be T2. और हम लोग मान लेंगे कि final temperature is T. Okay, we will assume. Therefore, the fall in temperature will be what? T minus T1. वो पहले T में था, मतलब पहले टेम्परेचर उसका T था, अभी हो गया T. So fall in temperature is T minus T, T1 minus T. And rise in temperature of the substance B is equal to T minus T2. वो पहले तो T था, लेकिन अभी वो हो चुका है कितना? T2. So it's T minus T2. That is the rise in temperature. और हम लोग को क्या पता है? फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? H is equal to mc del T, that is m into specific heat capacity into change in temperature. और अगर हम लोग को ये जानना है कि how much heat is lost by the body A or substance A, हम लोग को यही फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. So what we will do? We will multiply m1 into c1 mass into specific heat capacity into change in temperature, जो क्या है? जो मेरा T1 minus T है. और अगर हम लोग को जानना है heat gained by the body B, so what we have to find? What we have to do rather? M2 into C2 into T minus T2. Or as per the principle of calorimetry, if we apply this particular thing, then क्या आ रहा है इधर? MC M1 C1 into T1 minus T is equal to M2 C2 into T minus T2. Very simple. और एक चीज हम लोग को जानना पड़ेगा कि we are assuming that there is no heat lost in the surrounding. वो होता तो नहीं है. Since we are finding out the equation and we are trying to mathematically express it, we will have to assume that no heat is lost in the surrounding. Only there is heat transfer which has got or which has taken place in between.